And this is why I think it's so important for new people. Like they come in, they don't know a whole lot. Like they can get mentorship, they can get people around them that can give them strategies so that they can get a head start without having to figure this out accidentally. But yeah, I think that for me, it was like having people around me, like just talking to people, just talking to the seller who's like, I have an attorney in town. He's like, why don't you work with this person? This is who I work with when I do deals. And then this guy here is like, do you have a credit card? Like he thinks outside of the box because he's a business owner. And I had always associated with people with limited beliefs. He's like, okay, well, I can't do it, but how can I do it? I had never thought about pulling money off of a credit card to do a deal. And these days, I probably would advise people to do some other stuff first.